In today's world, your applications must evolve quickly to meet your customers' needs. Improving and releasing software at a fast pace to meet customer needs is at the core of every successful business, making agility and time to market essential to maintaining your competitive advantage. Companies that can rapidly deliver updates, innovate faster, adapt to changing markets more easily, and drive better business results. But quickly delivering updates, such as new features or bug fixes, can be difficult and error-prone using traditional software release processes, where code updates are manually and infrequently moved from development to testing and finally to production. What if the entire software release process were automated, allowing you to test and release code more frequently? Introducing AWS Code Pipeline, a continuous delivery service for fast and reliable application updates. With continuous delivery, your code updates are automatically built, tested, and made ready to deploy. Code Pipeline lets you model, visualize, and automate your software release process through a simple-to-use graphical user interface or with a command line interface. You model your software release process as a workflow made of different stages, or a pipeline, which describes how new code changes progress through your release process. At each stage, you choose the actions that are performed on your code, such as how and where your code is built, tested, and deployed. When your pipeline is active, every code change made to your source repository is automatically pushed through the set of actions you defined, so that code updates are run through a standardized process after every commit. Code Pipeline lets you set manual approvals at each stage of your pipeline, so that approvers can review and then approve or reject updates before they progress down your pipeline. Code Pipeline also automatically stops your pipeline whenever an action fails, such as a unit test failure. This automation allows you to test your code more frequently and catch bugs while they are small and simple to fix. Once your release process has been automated, it becomes easier to build, test, and deploy updates more frequently. This allows you to focus on improving your core product. Code Pipeline is extensible and works with a variety of source code, build, testing, and deployment tools from AWS or third parties, enabling you to use different services in each stage of your pipeline. For example, you can use AWS Code Commit as your source repository or AWS Code Deploy for automated code deployments to your instances. Code Pipeline allows you to invoke custom logic using AWS Lambda during any stage of your pipeline. You can also use popular third-party developer tools via pre-built plugins or create your own custom plugins and actions, enabling you to customize your pipeline to meet your specific needs. Code Pipeline uses AWS Identity and Access Management to manage who can make changes to your release workflow, keeping your software release pipeline secure. With Code Pipeline, you only pay per active pipeline per month. There are no upfront fees and no setup costs.